In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new Salesforce custom report types. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a solid grasp of each part. Let's dive in. To start, make your way to the Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub for all Salesforce activities, so it's the perfect starting point. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner for the Quick Settings icon. Clicking on this will give you access to various customization options within Salesforce. Next, you'll want to click on Open Advanced Setup. This action will transition you to a more detailed configuration space where you can tweak numerous elements of your Salesforce setup to better suit your organizational needs. After entering Advanced Setup, navigate to the search bar and type in Record Types. This will filter the options and direct you towards the area where you can manage different types of records, a core aspect of customizing your Salesforce environment. With record types up, it's time to focus on the report type section. Click on it to begin creating a new custom report type. There will be a button labeled New Custom Report Type. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll initiate the process of defining a report that caters specifically to your data analysis and presentation requirements. Now you'll be prompted to choose a primary object. This is a crucial decision because the primary object determines the foundation of your report. Essentially, it's the dataset at the center of your reporting. Choose wisely based on the specific insights you're aiming to gather. Once you've set your primary object, the next steps involve typing in a report type name and report type label. The name is for internal recognition, while the label is what users will see when they select the report. Make them descriptive enough to ensure clarity and ease of use for everyone who might access this report type later on. Additionally, providing a detailed description is vital. It acts as a guide explaining the purpose and structure of the report type for future reference. Make sure it's informative and captures the essence of what this report aims to achieve. Following this, choose a store and category. This organizes your report type within a broader category of reports, making it easier to find and manage alongside similar reports. When you're ready, you'll click on the Next button. At this page, you'll encounter the deployment status. This refers to whether your report type is available for use by others within your organization. Set it according to whether you're still designing or ready for full deployment. Afterward, if your report type should include another related object, click on Click to relate another object. This option allows you to pull in additional data, enriching your report's depth and scope. As you define these relationships, pay attention to the A to B relationship section. This setup determines how your primary object connects to the secondary or related objects, structuring the way data flows and interacts in your report. Ensure you've chosen the objects that align best with your analytical goals, and once everything is satisfactorily defined, conclude the setup by clicking Save. And there you have it, a new custom report type in Salesforce crafted to your organization's unique specifications. Happy reporting!